Hola amigos, ¿cómo estáis? My name is Gautam Sharn and I'm back again with Everything Spanish. So in today's video, I'm going to share some tips that will help you to learn to respond in Spanish like a native using common Spanish expressions, phrases and comebacks. This is the part 2 of the video. Without further ado, let's jump into it. Number 1. Imagínese. Tienen teléfonos ahora que pueden tomar fotos. Imagínese. Imagine that. Number 2. En tus sueños. Literally and actually means in your dreams. Yet one more way to say no. ¿Quieres bailar como Shakira para mí? Do you want to dance like Shakira for me? En tus sueños. In your dreams. Number 3. Estas Loco. Means what it looks like. You're crazy. Also used where we would say you must be kidding. For example, debes usar un carro en lugar de tu vaca morada. You should use a car instead of your purple cow. ¿Estás loco? You're crazy. Number 4. Verdad. Verdad literally means truth, but is frequently used to mean something like, really? Is that so? For example, manejo una vaca grande morada. I'm driving a large purple cow. ¿Verdad? Really? Sí, verdad. Yes, really. Number 5. En serio. Serio means serious. En serio means seriously. Simple. Use it where we would use seriously or really. Example, vine al trabajo por mi carro nuevo. I came to work in my new car. En serio? Seriously. Number 6. ¡Qué barbaridad! How horrible or oh my God. Japón acaba de sufrir un terremoto terrible. Japan has just suffered a terrible earthquake. ¡Qué barbaridad! Number 7. ¡Qué esperanzas! This literally means what hope and is another way of saying no or no way or not a chance. Here is an example. Papá, ¿va a comprarme un carro para mi cumpleaños? Dad, are you going to buy me a car on my birthday? ¡Qué esperanzas! Not a chance. So that was it for today's video, guys. I hope these expressions will help you to learn better Spanish. If you like our channel, please like, share and subscribe to it. This helps us grow. Till then, adios.